everyone, if you're looking how to fix your low Wi-Fi signal strength on your Windows, if your Wi-Fi is not properly working, in today's video we will be guiding you to the steps in order to fix it. So without any delay, let's just get started and dive right into the video. For that, what we can do is we can just go over to the search in the bottom left corner and type in CMD here. Just go ahead and do so and run it as administrator. And once you open it up, give access and click on yes. Go ahead and give access, and you can just go ahead and copy up these commands right here. So first of all, just go ahead and type in ipconfig/+tns here, paste it, hit enter. And similarly, right after it, you can just go ahead and type in the second one, which is named sh winsock reset. So just go ahead and enter it. Just go ahead and paste it right here, hit enter, and after that is done, you can just go ahead and restart your computer in order to complete your reset. And that should only fix your issue. Apart from that, once this is completed, what we need to do next is, and here just go over on the next step and type in view network connections and open it up. Your control panel like this, and look out for the connected network. Right now mine is a Wi-Fi connected, which is this one right here, MediaTek Wi-Fi wireless. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just go ahead, go to device manager, open it up, and from here go over and go for your adapter here under network adapters. Expand this one right here and find this one right here. This is the one we are using. Back click on it, look out for update driver. And once you go over here, you can search automatically for drivers. Or you can just go over and search for browse my computers for drivers. And select let me pick from a list of available drivers. And go ahead and look out for your model and click on next and install and update your driver to the latest version available on your computer. And at last, the next step we can follow up is we can troubleshoot. So for that, go over and search for troubleshoot settings and open it up. And once you open it up, look out for other troubleshooters, head over there. From there, just go ahead and look out for network and internet and run the troubleshooter for network and internet. So that's it for today's video. These are some of the solutions you can try out and let us know if this works for you. So don't forget to give this video a like and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.